Hello Tappers! I'm happy to introduce to you the new TapMapper. The new Mapper tool has new features and improved interface that will make mapping and tapping easier. So first things first, this is the new creator page. You can see the new glossary where you can assign taps. You can easily access other tapping dimensions, single tap, double tap, triple tap, shift mode, and switch mode. In order to assign new taps, you need to select the desired tap code, and this will open up the editing panel. Here in the tap command line, you can enter any character and/or any modifiers. You can also use the hold feature by pressing the hold button under the command line. And as you can see, the changes are applied in the glossary. If you look closely, you will notice that the modifiers are presented in Mac OS view as I'm accessing the mapper with my Mac. You can change the view by pressing the OS view button if you want to create a map for Windows. If you're accessing the mapper from Windows, it will automatically present Windows modifiers. Left-handers can use the left-right toggle button to change the glossary to left-hand view mode for easier mapping. At the bottom of the glossary, we have a Load Default Map button. This will load the default tap map to the glossary if you want to customize your own default map. There is a Clear Map button to erase everything from the glossary. Now, after we covered the basics, I would like to show you the new features we've been working on. The first one is Combo Modifiers. Combo Modifiers is a new, simpler way to create shortcuts. Till now, when I wanted to create a shortcut command, I could only assign one shortcut per tap, like in this example of creating copy and paste shortcuts. But now, thanks to Combo Modifiers, we can assign any modifier to a tap. Press the combo button and it will combine this tap with the next one. So you could mix the same modifier or with different keys to activate different shortcuts. Another nice feature is the combo and hold. When assigning a modifier, you can activate both the combo button and the hold button. This will make the modifier or modifiers stay pressed no matter what you'll tap next until you tap the same modifier again. The next feature is recommended for gamers. It's called multi-key. By pressing the multi button, I can assign up to 6 keys and 8 modifiers to one tap as if they were being pressed simultaneously. So if I'm playing a video game and I want my character to move diagonally, I can simply assign the left and up arrow keys with hold, and my character would now be able to move diagonally with one tap. Another feature is text mode. Up until now, we could only assign single characters to one tap. Now we can assign whole sentences. For each tap, you can assign up to 50 characters to make it easier to enter repeated text. The last and exciting new feature is macro commands. You can now create macro actions to be triggered by a tap. For example, I can make an action that will open Tap With Us website. The first line will be command space to first open the Spotlight search. Then I can click the Add Macro Line button to add new command lines for this action. In this line, I will write Safari, and then I'll add new line with the Return button in order to open the browser. After that, I can enter a new line with the site URL and finish with another line of Return button to go into Tap With Us website. It's that easy. You can also change the delay time between command lines, select and edit a specific line, and remove insert lines. I can give this action a name, go to Tap website, and there we have it, a new macro action. As you can see here, in the top left corner, we have the memory counter for this map. Maps take memory in your strap, especially maps with macros and free text, so now you can know how much room you have left. After we finished assigning taps, we can go and save our map. We can select the category of the map here. This will help us organize our maps. Then we need to enter a map name. We'll call this one Demo Map. And if you want, you can give this map a description. I'll just write New Mapper Tool Demo Map and click the Save button. This will automatically take me to my private zone where I can see all the maps I've created. Here I can see the map I just created now. I can click on it, open it, and make any changes I would like. I can edit tabs, change the category, and if you look at the bottom, you'll see that we have new buttons available. I can preview the map page to see how it would look in the map store, delete the map, and save the changes I made. Back in the private zone, I can decide if I want to publish my map so that everyone can see it in the map store and install it. All you need to do is to click on this Publish Map button, and then you will need to enter why do you think this map should be published. After that, your map will be sent to our team for approval. In the meantime, you can still enter your map and make any changes you would like. I can add an option modifier with a combo and save the map. And if you look now, you can see that I have this icon that notifies me that this map now contains unpublished changes. So if I choose to, I can publish the map again, and it will update the map that was sent for review. In case I change my mind, I can click on the cancel button, and the map will not be reviewed. As you can see here, I already have published maps I created. I can view them in the map store. To do that, I can simply press the View in Store button, and it will take me directly to the map page. Or I can go to the map store and find it myself. Here, in the map page, I can view the entire glossary. And if I find a map that I like but I want to make some changes to it, I can always click on the Copy Map button, and it will automatically make a copy of this map in my private zone for me to edit and make the changes I want. So that's all for now. I hope you'll find this tutorial helpful, and if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at support@tapwithus.com, and we'll be happy to help. Till next time, have a great day!